In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Reddit. If you want to quickly find the comments connected to your Reddit account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you want to look back at something you posted, check replies, or review your activity history in one place. To begin, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by visiting the Reddit website and making sure you're signed into the correct account. If you're not signed in, you may not be able to access your personal profile information, so it's a good idea to confirm that first before moving on. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Reddit keeps your account menu, and it gives you access to several personal settings and profile-related options. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Reddit occasionally updates its layout, but your profile icon is usually still in the same general area. After opening that menu, click View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where your Reddit activity is organized into sections. Your profile is the central place for seeing what you've posted, commented on, and interacted with across the platform. It's especially helpful if you're trying to revisit a discussion without remembering exactly which subreddit it was in. Once you're on your profile page, click the Comments tab. This is the section that displays the comments associated with your account. From here, you can scroll through your comment history and open individual threads if you want to see the full conversation or any replies connected to a specific comment. As you browse this section, keep in mind that comments are typically shown in chronological order, so the newest ones often appear first. That can make it easier to find something recent. If you're looking for an older comment, you may need to scroll a bit further down the page. And that's it. To view comments on Reddit, just go to Reddit, click your profile icon in the top right corner, select View Profile, and then open the Comments tab. It's a quick and easy way to keep track of your discussions and revisit past interactions whenever you need them.